Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete email account in Facebook. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your Facebook application. Once you have updated this application, you can now launch Facebook application. And then here, what you're going to do first is to click this three lines at the top right corner and then tap this gear icon or settings and privacy. Now you will see here Meta Account Center. You have to tap it one or click this see more in Account Center. Now under Account Center, you have to scroll down till you see this personal details. All you have to do is to click this personal details, and then here you will see some options or see information such as your email address, your date of birth, and your account ownership. So if you want to delete your email address, all you have to do is to click this contact information here. Since you have added email address here, you can also add your phone number if you want. So to delete this, you just have to click your email address. Okay, tap this one. Then you will see here a delete button or delete email. Tap this delete email, and all you have to do is to confirm it by just clicking the delete option again. But don't worry, if you want to add your email address again, you can just go back and then click this add contact and then add email if you want. Okay, add your contact, add email, and then you can enter the same email or a new email address here. Once done, click next, and that's it. You have added a new email address. But that's how easy it is to delete email account in Facebook. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.